Alright guys, we are going to do the fuel filter on a Nissan Titan diesel. We're doing the one on the bottom. I'll put the filter in the description below. First thing we're going to do is take this guy out here, push it in, unplug it, just pushes in right here. This has to come off or this will hit right there. So what is that? I think 312 millimeters. Let's check. Use both my hands to get that last one there. Yeah. All right, so it can be pretty tight. It's counterclockwise, slow, even pressure on it. Just trying to go slow on it, not break anything, you know. Oh. If you do break it, it does happen. Don't kick yourself in the ass. I've had to replace a few of these. I'll put that in the description below for you. Oh, motherfucker. There we go, it's starting to go. There we go. There we go. Woo! Dang it. Alright. Let the fuel kind of run. There we go. Alright, let me get the filter for you. It's your part number. I'll put it in the description. 41A is the up top one. We got O-rings, instructions, everything in there. Pop her open, get to it. So you're just going to get a screwdriver up in here, kind of pry this right on out. Just, yeah. Yeah, just pry it on out like so. I'm gonna get it to table where I can do this. Once you gotten it to a point, you can kind of wiggle it back and forth until it comes out. So, and then with the new one, you just line the tabs up where the tabs go. No special direction that goes in. Just get it in there nice and tight. That's pretty much it. That's it. And then we got the O-ring that's in here. You gotta pop that out. Get that new O-ring on. All the way down in there. And then you're going to want to wipe that O-ring down with some diesel fuel to kind of get it, you know, nice and wet. So it seals nicely. I think so. And then you're gonna back up in here and get it screwed in all the way tight again with this guy. You don't have to fill it with fuel, it'll do its thing. All the way nice and snug. Perfect. We're gonna plug this guy back in until it clicks in there, and then shield goes right back up in place. like to wash this down with some brake cleaner. So when you do fire it up, you can see if it's leaking easier. The brake cleaner will make it dry right off. We try not to fuck with that drain or anything, because as soon as you fuck with it, it's gonna leak, so we don't even bother with that. That's something you do, like if you're having runnability issues, try getting water out of it or whatever. But yeah, that's it. All right guys, I'll put the filter in the description below. Just click the link. You're gonna start this thing up now basically, and you're gonna see it if it drips or runs or anything like that. But you know, you don't have to watch that. Peace.